Here's another demo of a key feature that will be available in EasyCare version 2.8. We've built a feature called Revenue Export that can automate the process of making tally entries at the end of the day. The existing process, as we understand, is as follows. The revenue report in EasyCare HMS is run, and the financial numbers are keyed into a daily collection spreadsheet. Once this spreadsheet is verified and reconciled, the spreadsheet is taken as input to make entries into tally. The process can take between 1 and 3 hours depending on the size of the hospital and the number of ledgers that need to be posted to. With the interface, the rules to map the revenue figures to the ledgers are configured in EasyCare. So when the interface is run, it generates an XML file that has instructions for tally to post the appropriate entries. The import takes a couple of seconds. Here's a demonstration of the solution at work. We have simulated the process for one of our hospitals using a demo company in Tally. So here we are in Tally. Let's just go into the daybook first and look at a particular day on which we want to demonstrate the import. So we've chosen 20th of June 2019 as a random date on which to do this demo. And you can see that the daybook is empty in Tally. Now we switch over to EasyCare, go into the Reports tab and open the Revenue Cash Breakup Report. This is where we've built the export as well. So let's choose the same date, 20th of June 2019. Okay, and we generate the report. And you can see the revenue report has loaded up for that particular day. At the top is the icon that allows you to export the revenue. And if you've purchased this feature, then this button will be available. And that's the downloaded file. It has the instructions that allow Tally to make the postings for you when the file is imported. Now we go into Tally, and before we do that, I need to transfer this file into the Tally machine from my machine. So that's what I'm doing here. And we go into the Gateway of Tally screen, and under Utilities, you have the Import Data option and then choose Vouchers there. And here we have to place or put the file name in. We had exported it for the 20th and the file name has the date as well. So that's it. The XML file has been imported into Tally. It hardly took a second to do that. Now let's go into the daybook and go to the 20th of June 2019. And you can see that the entries have come in on that particular day. Now let's just open it up, cash payments, and try and reconcile that with what's there in the EasyCare report. The 21,116.33 rupees value is the configured charity, the total configured charity. Staff health scheme 7,570. It's called facility in EasyCare, and that's 7,570.15. Credit receivable is 1087. That's actually the non-cash collection value, 1087. It matches. The general charity is split in this hospital between IP and OP, as they want to track it separately. And you can see that under general charity, we have posted IP and OP values separately into the respective ledgers. Now let's go into the cash receipts and look at a few values there. OP item TDC, that's tubes, drains, and catheters. Let's check that value against the revenue report. So tubes, drains, and catheters, we had 1,493.62, and that's the value under the OPD head, 1,493.62. That matches. IP registration is 8,245. So that should be under registration, under the IP head. That's 8,245, and there's a match there. Let's take another random one. OP physiotherapy is 300. Physiotherapy under OP, that's 300. Right. Let's just scroll down and find another one. OP registration 25,000. Let's check that. And you can see that 25,000 is under the net revenue column. And all the values are sort of coming directly from EasyCare, so they do match. Now there's one thing I wanted to show you about the XML file, a safeguard that we've built into the interface. That's if you scroll down to the bottom of the file, we have a line included which includes a hash code. This is a computation based on the contents of the file. So even if a single space is altered or a dot is added, that hash won't match. And it'll be easy to detect if the file has been modified before importing it into Tally. So that's a safeguard that we built into the solution to make sure that the values in the revenue report are exactly what's been uploaded into Tally. Before we end the demo, a few important points. The interface is designed to work on the accrual basis of accounting at the moment. We can build a cash basis solution as well, but we're just waiting to hear from hospitals who are interested in this before we do so. The way the implementation will be carried out is as follows. We will first work with your accounting team to understand the daily tally entry process that is being followed. And from that discussion, we will work out the mappings to the ledgers in your tally system. And we will write out the mapping rules for configuration in EasyCare. Now, once that is done and tested at our end, we will then deploy the solution in your hospital, and we would recommend a user acceptance test for it. And the way that can be done is by creating a demo company in your Tally instance based on exactly the same structure as your existing Tally system, and trialing daily imports into it for say 4 to 5 days. That should give you the confidence that the mappings are correct and it's working well. And once you are satisfied with it, we would request you to sign it off before it's used for production use. The interface that we've built right now supports Tally, but we've designed it in a way to allow us to extend it to other systems. So if your hospital isn't using Tally, but uses another accounting system, say like QuickBooks, then we could modify the interface to generate the file that your solution imports. For this, we will need the file format and the interface specification for your particular system. If that is made available to us, we could extend the solution to meet your requirements as well. This is a paid feature for the simple reason that not all customers may find it valuable in their settings. But if you think that this is something that will add value to your hospital, please get in touch with us and we will be able to provide you a quote and help you with the implementation. We hope you found this demo informative. Thanks for watching.